X confirm button. Where do these go? Confirm buttons went at like -6-ish, I guess. So they're like ahead of the, but then they also go at the height of 8. What? No. 8? Oh, right. Okay. Actually, no. I guess these were supposed to be parented to main, just not to the camera. Whoops. Hello. Yeah. Level banner. Yep. That's better. Level banner. X button. I think this. I don't know. It's like 4-ish or something. I don't remember. 3 maybe. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Where is that even? Oh, -10 still. Yeah, probably like 4. My precious, precious files got all thrown about. It's so sad. Alright, this is like, I don't know, -5, sure, whatever. And then I think like 3 or something. No, 2.5 or something. Something like that. 2.25 maybe. I don't know. Whatever. X button, X confirm. Oh wait, no, this is on the other side. It was negative. Oh wait, no, it was -3 because I wasn't in free aspect. I was in, yeah. So it was -3. No, yeah, just -3, not -3 point, etc. And this might have been like 4.25 maybe or something. Yeah, that looks good. X banner, X confirm button. Also 3. No, also -3. And then a height of, what is it, 2.25? Where all the cool kids are hanging out. And this, yeah, -6. Retry button, -5. Retry confirm button, -6. Yeah, you've clearly been so engrossed in the game that you haven't heard me freaking out for the past 15 minutes. I'm putting the UI back together right now. And you can probably guess why, because it freaking disappeared. And I honestly have no clue how that happened, so yeah, pretty cool. But this is the reason why I try and finish up ahead of time instead of trying to finish up like for the buzzer, so yeah. Yeah. Alright, Y 2.25, the confirm button, 3 for the, yep, and then 3 for the, yep, and then 4.25 for the, etc. And then that looks pretty good, actually. I think we might be back in business. Wait, what just happened? Why did the confirm button go away? Oh yeah, no, it was supposed to go away. Yeah, all of this goes away. And does it come back is the important question. What is your, alright, index out of range exception? Oh, that happened before. Wait, what? Set tile. What? I don't know if, I don't know why that would matter, but if, oh wait, range, out of range exception? How'd you get an out of range exception? Paving? How big is, oh, is it because maybe this is because I jacked the maximum through the roof. So maybe instead of jacking the maximum through the roof, I should just not have a maximum? No, I don't think that would help necessarily. But this is probably about how I jack the maximum through the roof. I'm inclined to assume. Why do I keep minimizing that? I'm actually trying to go here. Yeah, so I guess, later, man, yeah, hey, sorry, have a good night. I'm so out of it right now. Yeah, thank you for tuning in, for trying out the game and having a good old time in chat. yeah, I hope to see you again. Whenevs. Yeah, as I mentioned before, I'll probably try to stream. I'm probably going to take tomorrow to rest up a little bit, although I have to actually give a talk tomorrow, so that'll be delightful. And but I hope to see you like later this week and again in the future. So, yay! Okay, so why on earth are we getting an out of range exception here? Where are we not properly checking for ranges? In pave, allegedly. Set tile pave. How do we get to that phase? Wait, what the hell is that? Oh yeah, I was gonna make it an if clause. I mean, I guess I might as well just put an if about if whatever. It's a quick fix. If px is greater than or equal to 0, and px is less than grid, no. Yeah, grid x max. And py is greater than or equal to 0, and px is less than grid y max. Then we'll do all of this stuff. Otherwise not. I don't know why that would occur. It's a little disconcerting. But whatever. Alright, so far so good. Yay. Yeah, alright, cool. Alright, seems like it works. Alright, hold on. Right, so now I'm going to rebuild this and hope that it doesn't go crazy next time. Fingers crossed. Oh, yeah, no. Wait, hold on. Because it does the UI weirdness. Hopefully it won't, like, ruin the UI too. Alright. Yeah, so I'm just going to have the UI hidden in that mode. So, game object, create empty. Game object, UI, parent it to main, reset the, etc., etc. All this stuff can go in here, and then I can address the UI directly. Public game object UI or UI save. It creeps me out that exception happened in paving, because like, does that mean that paving is failing somehow? I guess wait, let's go back down to pay. No, wait, where is it? It actually happened in set tiles. Go declaration. It was in set tile. What were these CX UIs that? Yeah, what were these CX UIs that that went out of bounds? I'm really curious to find out. So I'm going to say else print cx plus cy. What are you talking about? Cx and cy are px and py. Whoops. Just kidding. Derp. Alright. Here we go. Px, py. Py is totally a thing. It's totally a thing. I'm not even gonna. Oh, I need the closing brace yet. Yeah. Alright, say that. Oh yeah, and then the thing about hiding UI. UI dot set active false. UI dot set active true. Whatever, works fine. I'm not gonna have very much time to test this build. Oh wow, that's fun. Oh wow, I messed it up. It was a trap. I tried to go directly that way, but I had to go this way. Haha. Ha ha ha. That was a pretty good one. It seemed really obvious, but there's a little some nuance to it. This is gonna be easy. I don't know. Oh yeah, here we go. Well, that wasn't the official answer, but it worked, so. Anyways. Where's the... Huh. How do I can get green by going up here, and then, yeah, oh wait, no, I turned yellow again. Alright, alright, so UI seems to work okay. Alright, cool, whatever. I'm gonna hope that this build just straight up works. I'm gonna upload this one. So sorry, I'm switching back over to Facecam for a second. So build and build didn't, etc. Buildy build, building it up on the old build side. So delete what? Delete this one. Delete. Copy this one. Rename. 412. Yeah. Okay. Build. I can delete this as well. Or I'll overwrite it anyways. Quick start's fine. Right now, build the Android version. Build. Yeah. And then go. Faster. You can do it. Go. I believe in you. Alright, so then, yeah, upload and stuff to the internet. Oof. You guys are troopers. You guys have a lot of patience and a lot of fortitude. Probably more so than I do. Almost certainly more so than I do. I got beat by just a weekend of sitting in front of a computer, so it's not my proudest moment, but whatever. Alright, so upload these. Yeah. Upload these. I'm uploading this on top of the previous P2, so if you can't get the new one to load, I guess let me know, and I can upload it again under a different, etc. But yeah, let's see if this actually works. Come on, interface. That looks like interface. Alright, cool. So yeah, this looks like the real build. That was for P2. Maybe the main site has the real build. No, the main site still has the super old build. What the heck is that about? Weird oh yeah, sorry, you can't see my screen, can you? Yeah, the weird browser holding this old build hostage. I don't know what that's about. It's like obsessed with it or something. Anyways, yeah. So P2. All right. Now I think I'll probably finally catch up on chat. Or, I mean, it should also be bug fixing. Hey G-Man, how's it going? Oh, sorry. Yeah. No, I just sat up in my chair. So yeah, if you want to try it, there's a. Wow, there's some amazing music going on right now. Oh yeah, alright, so I'm gonna try building for Android again. On air, resume next. I don't know if I'd say strong, but I'm definitely still going. So partial credit, right? I don't think I've ever been so distracted in my entire life. Like I lose my train of thought just like looking at a screen. It's kind of amazing. We spent some quality time today, like just like debugging stuff that we never actually like. We kind of fixed it, but more than that, it actually just kind of just like went away. What the heck? Of course, the first thing it does on my device is like be weird. Hopefully that was just a fluke there. Come on, yeah, that looks better. All right, so I can do this. I believe in me. I believe in myself. Yeah, we did it. All right, I got it. All right, I'm playing, and it works. Yeah, that Red Bull, lifesaver. Man, I'm really torn. All right, so my build isn't like completely hosed, so I'm gonna catch up on chat. I've been saying I'll catch up on chat, and probably everyone I've been saying that to has probably already left by now, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Holy crap! Yeah, I've been out for a while. Whoa. Oh my gosh, there's so much chat. I'm like basically never gonna catch up on it. But all right, so I'll read from the bottom up. Reverse it, chronological order. Yeah, I bought a 4-pack of these. I don't know if you can tell. These are the big Red Bulls, not the little ones. I bought a 4-pack of them, and that was my last one. Oh man, I'm kind of dying. I think I'm gonna have a light snack. I hope you guys don't mind. I brought like a little bit of trail mix. I think that I'm gonna munch on a little bit, just a little bit. I apologize if you find it distracting. I'll try not to munch too loudly. I basically haven't eaten yet today. I kind of had. I had like a Pop-Tart this morning. That kind of counts, right? Sorry, I'm gonna switch over to pork chip cam because you don't want to see me eating. Wait, no. Sorry, pork chip cam. There we go. So yeah, how were you guys this weekend? Felt like so, yeah. I'm guessing some of you have seen the He-Man cover of Four Non-Blondes. It's an internet classic, I would say. Yeah, thanks for tuning in again on Error Resume. Saturday seems like so long ago. It's really weird. Like I remembered like I had to fix something that I implemented at the very beginning of the project, and I would have said it was like at least a month ago. It just like it felt that distant in my mind. Although a lot of things seem distant in my mind. My mind seems really distant right now. Oh. I should at least be playing the game, I guess. Oh, GG. guys think? I don't know. Yeah, I'm probably a little tired. I want to spend the day resting tomorrow, but I also have to give a talk. Well, I don't have to, but I signed up to give a talk on game dev streaming. I was ready to rant about how game dev streaming is so like diffuse and like spread out right now that you have to go to like a million different sites just to find it. But then, oh yeah, sorry. I was just trying to find my like my assets when they all like mysteriously disappeared. Oh yeah. I could go for some well-restedness. Not holding my breath though. Yeah, this Zoom feature is actually pretty handy. Oh yeah, so my editor windows become orange because if I go to build settings, or not build settings, sorry. If I go to edit, where is it? File, no, edit. Project settings? No. Did they change these menus? Or am I just being funny? Where is it? Oh, preferences. Under colors, you can use a play mode tint. And if you've used Unity before, you probably know that in play mode, your changes don't save. So I use the play mode tint to remind myself not to, just so it's obvious. Like if without the tint, like sometimes I would forget that I was in play mode if the screen was very still or something, and I'd accidentally like lose time like making changes that didn't stay. So yeah, the tint is just like a little reminder so that you can recall to leave play mode before you try and actually tune data. I just chose orange because it's very obvious. Alright, let's see. Do I just have to go like all the way around the map? Like around the entire map? I guess maybe. It could happen, right? Wow, yeah. That was that. Whoa, what the heck? Why can't I? Oh, because I'm red. I'm like, oh my gosh, why did the input stop responding? But wow, that one was epic. I had to go like a distance to get it done. I guess that makes sense. Like when I was running tests on the pathing system, it would do like spirals sometimes. Yeah, pretty sweet. One of my friends turned me on to that, and it's like one of my favorite ways to modify like the default setup. Excuse me. I assume you can hear me like munching because I'm not munching very quietly. But I'm just really hungry. Why did I turn? For some reason I was thinking I was yellow, I would get the blue, and I could go through the purple, but I can go through the green, so it's all good. Anyways. I guess I should have, oh, I know what I should do. I'm gonna, oops. So I'm gonna switch back to face cam for a second. Hey, I'm just gonna edit the HTML on the site real quick, because it occurs to me like I usually try and put like in the little text snippet above the game, I try and put like the most pertinent information I can come up with, and it just occurred to me that it's actually a little more pertinent to mention that you can click and hold to pan. So I'm just gonna update that and update, yeah, and then edit, yeah, blah, 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 upload it, etc., etc. So yeah, get the crown is, you can figure out how to get the crown, especially if you know how to click and hold to pan. Doop-a-doop. Almost done. Refresh. Iama. Replace. There we go. Alright. Back to webcam, portrait mode, or desktop camera, desktop, whatever. I can relate to you. Was I touching my facial hair again? I'm sorry. I honestly, I'm like not even cognizant of it. I should get like a muzzle for myself. I don't know, whatever. I don't know. Alright, what am I doing? Alright, I'm going up to the top corner. Oh, this is easy. It's in the top corner again. What is annoying, I have to say. Oops, why did I do that? Oh, whoa, is that actually correct? Wow, alright, cool. Stars for days. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm munching really loudly. I can stop now. I'm not gonna die anymore. I've obtained some amount of sustenance. Although I really shouldn't have opened this container, because if I try and put it back in my bag, it's just gonna spill everywhere. That'll be fun. Just seeds. It's nuts and seeds everywhere. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna catch up on chat. And then I never did. So, hey chat, how's it going? Oh gosh. I should put like jalapeno sauce on my facial hair, so that way if I touch it, I don't know. Isn't that what you do for dogs when you want them to stop like chewing on stuff? Benchko, you left a while ago and I didn't say goodbye to you. Or I did and I forgot. Anyways. Oh, I don't know if you're still here, Kinetic AU, but maybe you heard already. I put up a new build with the UI. It's back. And better than ever. No, it's just as good as ever. But yeah, whatever. Right. Alright, yeah, I should play the game a little bit. Keep playing. Keeping on. Boom. I don't mean to brag, but I'm pretty good at this game. And we've been playing it for a while. Ever since it was first released. No, before it was first released. Oh. Nope. No, definitely not that. Oh, but oh, okay, yeah, no, I see it now. You. It's up there. Oh, that's easy. Simple enough. I put in a mechanism that would prevent the same color from coming up twice in the preordained, like in the golden path. Oh, it's right there. What am I thinking? I wasn't thinking. I was like talking instead. Sorry, I'm just reading over chat. I answered. Oh, Benjigo's gone, but I think I answered the question about source control. Here's GitHub if anyone cares. Oh, I forgot I'm back on camera. Sorry. I'm drifting to like states of like minimal cognizance. Like I'm not literally falling asleep, but I'm getting like the type of relaxed that like people don't usually get around like in public, for example. I'm just like I could probably just like lie down on the floor for a while and be happy. Even despite the fact that I know like basically no one here. Dino King, the rebuilding Super Mario 64 with better graphics. I would like to see it done in like an interesting like I'd like to see someone do an homage to it with like an interesting new art style. Like not just like better quote unquote or like newer, but like, you know, like a different take on it. Like a different maybe even like tell a different story or like a different sorry, I'm like deconstructing a cardboard box right now. Tell like a different like type of story with like the same characters but like presented in a different way. I don't know. I think that'd be interesting. Something I would watch. Not like the movie, not like the Super Mario Brothers movie with like the live action. That is not the direction I would go personally, but I don't know. I did see the Super Mario Brothers movie, so I mean it at least had that going for it, enough going for it for me to actually, yeah, whatever. I really like playing with my facial hair. I apologize. It's like why I keep it. Like I don't care how it looks. I just like touching it now. I don't know. Sorry, I just read the "Baby Don't Alert Me," and that is I don't know, just hit my funny bone. Yeah, this stream was like a Q&A earlier in the evening, and like it was basically like a tutoring session for a little while too. Oh man, Connecticut, you asked a whole bunch of questions earlier, and I don't know if you're still here, but I'd be happy to answer them. No, according to the user list, you're not here. Sorry about that. Next time you're here, if you ask again, I will totally answer. And yeah. Did I even finish that sentence? I forget. I might have just trailed off in the middle of it. Tired? Who said tired? I'm good to go. Hey, look, it's the setup where there's a wall between you and the otherwise easy to get target. I had to put in that special rule so that these weren't so disgustingly easy. Boom. Wait, where am I going? Up there? Oh, easy. I swear, I put in a rule where like you wouldn't get the same color twice in the path to victory, but it doesn't seem to stick very well. If I go up there, I'll get orange, and I can come back here, but I can't get into there. If I go around here, if I go around here, no. I kind of have to go this way though. Maybe I'll go over here and then up and around through here. I don't know. Where's this lead? Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. There we go. Yeah. Boom. I'm on level 18. I'm really bad at this game. I probably should have spent more time on the rules about map generation. I probably could have wheedled out a few more of those like too easy cases, or like I could have at least detected them, and then in the case that it came up with one of those too easy cases, it just like spun the wheel again, because like they're pretty uncommon, but even like in really big maps, they'll still show up every now and again, which is awkward. Yeah. Hey, where was this supposed to go? Nope, not that way. Did I take a wrong turn? I don't know what my idea was there. Oh, there we go. Derp. Alright. Everyone so far I've been... Oh wait, yeah. So, oh man, I'm just missing everything today. Dino King, you're probably gone by now, I guess. I don't know when you said you were leaving, but yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you again. I'll stop touching my facial hair, I promise. I promise, for like a few minutes, at least. For upwards of multiple minutes. So, hold on, that's cheating. I'm not going to use this view anymore. If you use cheating. Oh, also, yeah. I want to switch off a free aspect, but I don't feel like restarting the game. Oh no, I'll test out shadow mode. Yeah. So yeah, this is probably more confusing than anything. But whatever. I bet it's grokkable with some practice, maybe. Or like once you get the hang of it. Maybe it'd be even more grokkable without the color. Like if it was in grayscale, maybe then it would be less noisy. Because the color adds a lot of noise. Oh, excuse me. I'm apparently tired for some reason. So I have to leave pretty soon. Not super soon, but like this whole thing wraps up in about 20 minutes. So I gotta like start cleaning up and doing a few other things before that time happens. But let's take a quick look at who else is online. See if anyone else, any other interest. Oh, look at all these people. There are tons of interesting streamers going on at this very minute. So yeah, I'm actually going to take off pretty soon, and by pretty soon I mean quite soon, eminently you could say. But I think I'm going to kick it over to 2D Heroes. I don't know if you guys have watched his stream before, but I find his stream really interesting. Like he's a big jammer, or like he's like a huge experience in jamming, and so like he busts through games like really fast. He has a cool, you might be able to guess, a 2D art style, and I don't know. I really enjoy watching his stream. His is up now, so maybe I think when I kick it, I'll probably kick it in his direction. Oh, it's gonna play advertisements, but let me close the advertisements. Go away advertisements. Alright, so shadow mode seemed to work okay, right? Because we're in stage 1, good. And then, alright, I'll play in shadow mode. Where's the... Oh, shoot. When we restart the game, we don't resize the board. Womp womp. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna kick another build just because of that. Yeah, that's, I don't know, kind of important. A little bit important. Couldn't hurt. Alright, so, that's basically the only thing that changes, I think, so, yeah. So, again, we're doing it in 2 places. We're doing it in the shadow transition, and we do it in the normal transition, so, oh yeah, so I should have variables for that as well. Where are my variables? Where are my variables at? Where are my variables? Underscore x underscore. There it is. So, let's say this is, now let's just say public int grid. Oh, max is a silly term, but whatever. Grid x init equals what is it? 7 or int? Yeah, not f. No, imb. Int, not imb. Alright, so grid x init equals 7 and public grid y init equals 8. I'm sure that was the ratio that I said I liked. Alright, so so now when we restart, we will go. Wait, how does that? Oh yeah, yeah. I think we go. The way we do it is we go grid. Let me double check. Grid x max. How does that get used? Yeah, build fields. Find all references. Grid x max equals, right, yeah, that's where that happens. Grid x max. Yeah, alright, so build field. Alright, so down in update, where we, etc., etc. So here, or what we do before map gen. Grid, or no, build field, grid x init, grid y init, blamslam. I don't know what I'm saying. Copy that, and then also up here. Save that. Alright, so that should be better now. Alright, so let's check to make sure that is working and that, what are they, errors? What are you talking about? What do you mean errors? Alright, yeah, so I'll just get it slightly bigger. Just errors are slightly bigger. And only need flames, I think, if I recall correctly. But, oh, what's wrong? Yeah, there we go. Nope. Derp. Yeah, easy. We did it, I think. It got bigger, right? Yeah, cool. Alright, now let's restart. And it gets smaller again. Yay, we did it. We did it. We did it. Alright, so build it again. Build it better, faster, stronger. Alright, I think this will be the time where I kick it. I'm gonna put the new build up in just a second, so if you wanna check that out, I encourage you to do so. 2D Heroes, is he still online? Yeah, cool. Alright, I'm gonna kick it over his way. So if you don't enjoy his channel, well, I'll be surprised because he's really cool. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Thank you everyone for, oh yeah, if you liked anything about the stream, there's a follow button down in the corner of the thing. I try and stream a lot. I try and do about like 30 hours a week, so it's like, it's not always jams, it's just like sometimes it's general game development. It is a lot of jams. I want to do, in a few weeks, I want to do like a collaborative jam where everybody in chat like gets to participate, and like we basically just build a game together over the course of like maybe a week or so. And like people are welcome to like contribute assets or however they feel like contributing to the project. I think that'd be fun. We did kind of like a miniature version of it on Tuesday, and it was a blast. So I kind of want to do that again. There's also a link to my Twitter down below the below the, like if you scroll down. And I try and like, yeah, when stuff's coming up on the stream, I try and post about it there in advance. So if any of the things I might be doing sound interesting to you, follow there for news and updates and stuff. And yeah, thank you again. You guys are awesome for sticking through this, because like, oof, yep. What a weekend. I look forward to some more crazy times in the future with all of you. Have a wonderful evening, and good night. And then there's this like stream delay, so I'm going to sit here awkwardly, because if I don't sit here awkwardly, it's going to cut off the end of the thing that I just said. But now I'm going to hit the button to kick over to 2D Heroes, and hopefully that worked. Probably that worked. Let's find out if that worked. I might still be live. Who knows? So, if I am still visible to anyone, how's it going? Alright, cool. I think it worked. Anyway.